Right, hello there, welcome. This is Ecopel. In this session, I'll show you how to enhance your solution in terms of look and feel. You'd probably want different icons, you want an image on the background with some colors and so on. So what I have on the system, on the left hand side on the home tab, we have the display button. On the display button, you have the Workspace Appearance. Now here on the Workspace Appearance, you have the background color. So if you reset it, it will just be white. If you want some color on it, then you can select from a range of colors, or you can customize your own colors to suit exactly what background color you're looking for. So if we pick that, and that's blue, that's our background color. So you can change the color to any color that you want. We also have slightly on the right, you have the background picture, which allows you to select a picture for your background. So instead, if you don't like colors, you can pick up background picture, and the system will also check to see whether your image is too large, because this image is going to be stored on your database. So there's a limit of about 1 MB that you can store. So you just need to ensure that your picture is less than 1 MB, and that will replace our background color, and now we have an image on the background. So again, we can select how we want the image to be displayed. We can stretch it, we can zoom it, depending on the size of the image. If it's small enough, then if you center it, then you can actually see that it's centered and so on. So that is how you change your background image, your background color. We also have report list. Now for our reports, we have the PDF reporting. So we'll just preview the default sample. You can see the default sample here. We have there's a logo, then there is the list that would appear there. So perhaps you'd like your reports to have the look and feel and the colors that you'd like to have, that you're probably already using the same colors within your organization. We just want them to look nice. So we can change the border color here. I can just change it to, let's say, dark blue. And we have our title bar, which can also be some dark color, and then we have the title font color, we have the header font color. So we can change all these to some nice color. We also have the footer if you wanted to change that as well. So we can preview a sample here. You can see now our report is now looking colorful. All right, so this is a quick way of changing the report color. We also have the appearance for the list. So for any list that you have, you might want your lists to have different colors interchanging, different fonts and so on. I mean, different font colors and so on. So this would mean your list would appear something like that. But most of the time I like to use the default because it's just a plain white. It depends on your preference, and also the fonts. You can change the font, so you can put alternating colors. Let's say you have a light green here and you have a dark green here, so it will give you the alternating colors for your list. Any list you're going to view in the system will have that particular pattern. For the windows, like this is a window pane by itself. So if you wanted to change this color, this blue color, into something else, then you can as well do it. So let's say if you wanted to change it to dark green, that's what happens. So your whole window would be dark green. If you wanted it to be red, for example, then your whole window would be red. So you can change all those colors there. Now on the menu front, you can see here we have the default, the golden folders here. So supposing you wanted to change them to blue folders, then you select that. So this will show you the normal, and this one will show you the selected folder. So a folder that has been selected would be open, and a folder that's normal is the one that's closed. And we also have the navigation background, so we can change it to a color if you wanted it to be green or something like that. So if you apply and close that, what would happen is that our menu will now have the blue icons, okay, and then our list view would have the different look and feel that that we've actually made. We've customized the look and feel. So you can now see the list is also different. So this is just the flexibility that you can have. I mean, if you wanted to change the look and feel and so on, that would be what you want. When we are printing the list also, you'll find that the PDF will take our view of the colors that we'd actually put. We had put the dark blue on top with the white fonts and the lighter blue on at the bottom and the footer as well. So that's a quick way of enhancing the way you would want to work. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next videos as well.